leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
If you guys know me and you've been following me for a while, you already know that I've done several glitter projects in the past. I've done a glitter table out of epoxy. I've also done this table with polyurethane, but this time I'm doing it a little bit different. What I'm doing here is I'm working in sections and I'm painting it with another coat of the black paint. You guys can use any color you want, and you can use any color glitter you want and just customize it however you want it to look. As long as you like it, that's all that matters. So I'm going in with this black paint and I'm working in sections, and before I let the paint dry, I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my glitter on top of the wet paint. Polyurethane likes to grab onto the glitter and it sticks to the paintbrush, so you don't get it even finished. But putting it onto the table like this, working in sections and letting it basically adhere itself to the wet paint ensures that it's going to stay in that place when you put the polyurethane on top of it. You can use a bristle or a foam brush for polyurethane, but I prefer a foam brush because they're super cheap. I got like a 4-pack from Walmart for like 98 cents, and this is going to take several layers, and it's just personal preference. I like putting it on pretty thick with a lot of layers to get that really nice protective finish that's glossy and that looks really nice. So I just like using foam brushes because I can just throw them away when they dry out. And it's dry, you're going to need a fresh brush. Allow your polyurethane to dry completely in between coats. I like to put a lot of coats, and I put it on pretty thick too. While you're putting the polyurethane, if there's any areas that you see that you want more glitter, you can go ahead and add them in. It's not going to make a difference. You can just sprinkle it on and then go ahead and coat it. Do this in a well ventilated area. Make sure you have your windows open, maybe even use a fan or do it outside. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and subscribe if you're not already.